Active and creative.
Please subscribe.
Hello little buddies, welcome back to Active and Creative. Okay, this week we will try to make your third fruit. That is, yes, it is a grape. Okay, we'll try to make grape. This is for a class. Okay, this simple grapes. Okay, jadi little buddies, untuk yang di kelas A ini kita bakal bikin buah anggur ya, buah anggurnya dengan warna ungu. Kita blending juga nanti. Langsung aja kita mulai, kita bikin seperti ini. Oke, langsung aja kita mulai. Let's get started. This is the grape for the A class. Okay, first of all, let's make a circle here. Oke, jadi pertama langsung bikin lingkaran ya. Lingkaran seperti ini. Oke. If you're done with the circle, now make another circle. Kalau udah, bikin lingkaran lagi di sebelahnya ya. Oke. You have to make it very close and touch each other. Okay. If you're done with this, then let's make another circle. Alright. Then we make another circle below, between these two circles. Okay, like this. Kalau udah, bikin lagi lingkaran lagi ya. Seperti ini. Nempel pelan-pelan aja. Okay. And then let's make another circle below. Okay. And another one. Okay. Then the last one is on the bottom. Okay, terakhir di bawahnya seperti ini. Ini kelihatan agak kosong ya. This looks a bit empty, so I'll put another circle here. Okay. If you're done, then make like a curved line. Okay, udah ya. Kalau udah, lagi dari kecil ke besar ya, from here to here. Okay, like this, and then close it. Right. Then put like a curvy line, but like this. Alright. Then another more here. Alright, that's pretty simple grape, right? Let's get color it after this, okay? Jadi udah jadi ya grape-nya. Ini anggurnya. Simple aja. Langsung habis ini kita mewarnai sama-sama, oke? Right, this is my purple, and I want to get the light purple to blend it. These two colors for A class, just two colors, okay? Jadi buat kelas yang A, seperti biasa kita blendingnya cuma dua warna aja ya, pakai warna ini sama ini, oke? Kemudian, and then I want to blend the stem with this one, and as usual, the light green. Okay. Let's get started with the purple color, okay? So don't forget, the bottom part is using the darker color. Okay, then flying. Don't forget to flying. This one too. The same techniques. So blending and then flying. Okay. This one too. Make circular movement and flying. Okay, this one too. Ini juga ya, jangan lupa pinggirnya dulu, kemudian ini bikin lingkaran kecil-kecil gini mewarnainya, terus flying tipis-tipis ya. Right, this one too, like this one, and then flying again. Wow, okay, pretty good. Let's continue it like this one, then flying. Right, and this one on the bottom part, and flying. Right, this one, and flying. Okay, and the last one, yang terakhir ya, little buddies. Nah, oke, tetap flying juga ya buat blendingnya nanti. Oke, alright, we are finished with the dark purple. Now we are using the light purple, this one. Okay, let's blending it with a circular movement. Don't forget to going down, going up, fill in all the white spots. Okay, this one too. Let's blending it and continue till all the fruits. Ya, jadi semua di blending. Tinggal blending yang dengan warna ungu yang muda ini. Lakukan gerakan memutar seperti biasa ya. Nih, seperti diputar-putar aja. Oke. Ini juga diputar-putar juga. Seperti ini. Ini juga diputar-putar aja. Oke. Now we got our grapes color. Oke. Udah selesai yang ininya. Kemudian let's continue with the green part with the dark green first on the bottom. Okay, and mix, blending it with the light green. Alright, now we got our grapes. This is your grapes, little buddies. Udah selesai ya, grapesnya gitu aja. Oke. Alright, little buddies, thank you for watching. Don't forget to keep practicing and help me to subscribe for more videos. You can follow our Instagram too at activeandcreative.id. And for parents and teachers, you can upload your kids' artwork on your Instagram or Insta story and tag us also. See you on another video and keep active and creative!